Attaching a zipper is a foundational sewing skill that can be achieved through several methods depending on the desired look, either centered, invisible, or lapped. So, using a zipper foot and basting the seam first are the best ways to ensure a professional, secure result. So, here is a step by step guide to the most common method along with the tips for success. So if you are joining my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please do not make it your last time. Initially, I had made the back part of my blouse this way by closing up the zipper allowance, and I had also sewn on the sides of the blouse. So it's time to just loosen the stitch so that I can fix my zipper. The stitches mark is where I will draw my lines. So this tutorial is very helpful because even as a beginner, you'll be able to fix your zipper properly or attach your zipper to your blouse, your tops, or your shirts properly. When drawing your lines, be careful not to miss the stitches hole because you'll be attaching your zipper to the lines. Hope you understand. So I drew two lines, one for one part and the other line for the other part. So when I was done, I just grabbed my zipper. My zipper was longer than the dress, but that's not a problem. You just need to know how you will place it. So this is how you place it. The right side is facing the right side of the blouse. You can do like a guesswork first to see how it will look, maybe by pinning it first to see how it will look. But if you're a pro, you don't really need to go through those steps. But I made this tutorial very simple so that even a beginner will understand. So you see the way I placed my zipper on that line I drew, I just placed my zipper this way. So this is the right side facing the right side of the fabric, and I use my pins to secure it. If you can't if you don't want to make use of pins, you can use a different color of thread to do like rough stitches just to secure the zipper. Then thereafter you stitch on it, and when you are done, you just loosen the rough stitches. You can also do it that way, but I just wanted to do this way. So when you want to stitch, you remove your universal footer for best result. Actually, you remove your universal footer and replace it with your zipper footer. Honestly, you will thank me later if you practice it this way. So this is what your zipper footer will do. It will sew it close to the teeth of the zipper, and it will make it look very neat. So you just keep stitching, following the lines. As you are stitching, you remove the pins till you get to the bottom of your blouse. Some persons also stitch from bottom to top. Just do what works best for you. So when I was done doing one side, I went ahead to do the same thing for the other part of the blouse. First, you just make sure it's properly aligned, pin it down, and go ahead to stitch. So if you have been having phobia or you have been thinking of the best way to attach your zipper to your blouse, I just think this tutorial is good for you. No more fear, no more thinking that, oh, my zipper is not well aligned. No, with this method, you are good to go. So this is me again, following the line I drew. I will just be pinning my zipper, following that line. Don't do otherwise because you won't like the outcome. So this is me after attaching my pins, and I'll also go ahead to stitch just the way I did for the previous one. And the next thing you'll be seeing is the final look. See, if your zipper is not aligning properly, then you are not doing it properly. You have to do it right to get the best results. Again, if your zipper is longer than your blouse or your dress, it's not a problem. So for me, I prefer doing it this way because it makes my zipper reusable. So let's say I want to reuse my zipper. It will be very easy for me to reuse. So I don't like trimming mine. I just fold it in and go ahead to top stitch. Well, I hope you saw that. So that's how I fold mine. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you learned something. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you all in my next